Hello everyone. Are you looking for the best laser engraver to take your projects to the next level? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 picks for the best laser engravers on the market this year. From professional grade machines to more budget-friendly options, I'll walk you through the features of each machine and help you decide which one is best for you and your projects. So sit back and enjoy as I break down the best laser engravers of 2023. Number 5. Wainlux K6 Mini Portable Laser Engraving Machine. The Wainlux K6 Mini Portable Laser Engraving Machine is a great choice for those who want to engrave and cut wood, leather, and other materials. The self-developed software for the machine is incredibly user-friendly and comes with multi-language support, making it easy for anyone to use this machine. The 3000 megawatts engraver is powerful enough to make detailed and precise cuts, making this a great option for both beginners and experienced laser engravers. Overall, this is an excellent machine that is sure to satisfy all your engraving needs. Number 4. Daja Daja Laser Engraver CNC 7000 megawatts. The Daja Daja Laser Engraver CNC 7000 megawatts is an impressive machine that is perfect for DIY projects. It's a portable engraving machine that can be used to engrave metal, lacquered leather, wood, glass, plastic, and paper. The 7000 megawatts power of the laser makes it easy to etch intricate designs onto a variety of materials. The user-friendly design makes it accessible to anyone, regardless of experience. With its impressive power and versatility, the Daja Daja Laser Engraver CNC 7000 megawatts is an ideal machine for those looking to get creative with their DIY projects. Number 3. 2 Trees Metal Laser Engraving Machine. The 2 Trees Metal Laser Engraving Machine TTS55 is the perfect tool for any DIY enthusiast. With its ultra-fine 0.08mm sharp laser focus and latest 5.5-watt laser beam shaping technology, this machine can easily cut through wood, acrylic, ceramic, and stainless steel. What's more, it comes with a fast-focused design and an easy assembly structure, which makes it very easy to use. Additionally, the X-axis and Y-axis contain precise scale lines to quickly measure the size of engraving objects. All in all, the 2 Trees Metal Laser Engraving Machine TTS55 is an excellent machine for anyone looking to get into laser engraving. Number 2. Laserpecker L1 Portable Mini Laser Engraving Machine. The Laserpecker L1 Portable Mini Laser Engraving Machine is a great tool for DIY enthusiasts who want to create custom designs. This mini machine is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 190 grams, and is about half the size of a Coke can, making it easy to carry. It has a high-quality laser head with the original 450-nanometer blue laser source from Osram, Germany, and a service life of more than 10,000 hours. It also has a multi-angle engraving with adjustable tripod for engraving products at any angle and height, and a laser power of 1.6 watt. The operation mode is done using a mobile phone app, making it easy to use and DIY any pattern you want to engrave. Overall, the Laserpecker L1 Portable Mini Laser Engraving Machine is a great tool for DIY enthusiasts, and is definitely worth checking out. Number 1. Laserpecker 2 Laser Marking Machine. The Laserpecker 2 60-watt laser marking machine is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, portable, and easy-to-use laser engraver. This laser engraver is equipped with a powerful laser source that is 10x more powerful than the first generation. It also has a preview speed of 3750mm per second and engraving speed of 600mm per second, giving it superior accuracy. Additionally, it is incredibly easy to use. Simply plug it in, transfer an image to the machine, adjust the power/depth, and you're ready to start engraving. This is an ideal machine for personal DIY, bulk or offline shop commercial customization, production marking, and far more. Highly recommended.